Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to sharing across your Instagram and Facebook profiles. So if you want to make your Instagram integrated into your Facebook profile, you can do these steps that I'm about to tell you. So at the Instagram, you need to go to your profile and click on the three lines icon and then go to settings, and here you need to go to the account center. Just click on here, and here you'll find the connected experience option. Just click on that, and then here click on sharing across profiles. Okay, so here in the sharing across profile, you can add your accounts to enable connected experience, like share your Instagram story and post to Facebook's. And here you need to add the Facebook account first. Just click on add accounts, and here click on add Facebook account, and you'll be directed to the facebook.com. And if you have logged in into your Facebook in your device, you can just click on continue as your profile like this, and then continue again, and click on continue again, and if you are sure, you can just click on yes, finish setup. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so this is do you want to sync your name and profile photo? If you don't want to, you can just click on not now, and now your Facebook and Instagram is integrated, so the sharing across your Instagram and Facebook profile has been successful. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can sharing across your Instagram and Facebook profile. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.